During the late 19th century, when purchasing a car, individuals were presented with three primary options. These included steam-powered cars, gasoline-powered cars, and battery-powered electric vehicles. This video aims to explore the historical context and development of these propulsion technologies, their advantages and disadvantages, as well as the subsequent dominance of internal combustion engines until the recent resurgence of electric vehicles. Steam-powered cars relied on gas-powered boilers and were capable of traveling extensive distances. However, they required the inconvenient transportation of extra water for refueling, and involved a 30-minute wait for the engine to heat up. Gasoline-powered cars utilized internal combustion engines but had certain drawbacks. Starting the engine required hazardous hand cranking, and while driving, these vehicles emitted loud noises and foul-smelling exhaust. Battery-powered electric vehicles emerged as a promising alternative, particularly due to their ease of starting, clean operation, and minimal noise. They were also convenient to refuel overnight if an electricity supply was accessible. This option gained popularity, especially in cities with early electric systems, as they provided a reliable and safer alternative to their explosive counterparts. By the end of the 19th century, electric vehicles accounted for almost 40% of American cars. The primary challenge faced by electric vehicles was the limitation of early batteries. These batteries were expensive and inefficient, hindering their ability to support long-distance travel. Attempts were made by inventors, such as Thomas Edison, to develop more efficient batteries. Some entrepreneurs even established exchange stations in urban areas, enabling the swapping of dead batteries for charged ones. However, despite these efforts, electric vehicles remained costlier than gasoline-powered cars, making them unaffordable for many consumers. Additionally, the discovery of oil resources further reduced the price of gasoline, while advancements in internal combustion engines enhanced their appeal. With the introduction of electric starters, mufflers for noise reduction, and rubber engine mounts to minimize vibration, internal combustion engines became increasingly popular. In 1908, Ford released the Model T, an affordable and high-quality gas-powered car that captured public imagination. Consequently, the percentage of electric cars on the road dropped, and internal combustion engines ruled the automobile industry for the next 5 decades, with only a few specialized electric vehicles remaining in use. The 1970s marked a turning point as concerns about oil availability in the United States, renewed interest in alternative energy sources. Furthermore, studies in the 1980s linked car emissions to smog, particularly in cities like Los Angeles. These factors prompted governments and environmental organizations to reevaluate electric vehicles. However, car companies had primarily focused on improving internal combustion engines, neglecting the century-old battery problem. By the 1990s, companies began developing more efficient batteries for portable electronics. Energy-dense nickel-metal hydride batteries became available, followed by lithium-ion batteries. Simultaneously, regulatory mandates in California to reduce smog and air pollution fostered the emergence of hybrid cars, which utilized nickel-metal hydride batteries to optimize the efficiency of gasoline engines. In 2008, Tesla Motors revolutionized the electric vehicle market by introducing the lithium-ion powered Roadster. This purely electric vehicle achieved a single charge range of over 320 kilometers, significantly surpassing previous records. Since then, electric vehicles have experienced substantial improvements in terms of cost, performance, efficiency, and availability. They offer rapid acceleration, surpassing that of gas-powered sports cars, and while some models still have a higher upfront cost, they provide long-term cost savings for drivers, as governments worldwide focus on mitigating climate change. Electric vehicles are expected to replace gas-powered vehicles entirely. Notably, Norway witnessed plug-in electric vehicles accounting for 75% of car sales in 2020. Policies such as California's zero-emission vehicle mandate and Europe's aggressive CO2 emission standards have significantly influenced the decline of investments in gas-powered vehicles on a global scale. The evolution of automobile propulsion has witnessed the rise and fall of various technologies, From steam-powered cars to gasoline-powered vehicles, and eventually the resurgence of electric vehicles. The automotive industry has experienced remarkable transformations. With advancements in battery technology, improved performance, and increasing environmental concerns, electric vehicles are poised to reclaim their position on the road, gradually replacing gasoline-powered cars.